General Scenario Case 1. You are a community pharmacist based in a busy town centered in Metro Manila. A patient, Sharon De La Fuente, comes to the pharmacy and asks if she can speak to you in private. Sharon explains that she is on a holiday with a group of elderly friends from Baguio City. She went to take her antidiabetic tablets this morning and realized that she has packed an empty box. She has not taken her antidiabetic tablets this morning and is worried that if she does not take them, she may become ill. Sharon then showed you her empty box of Diamicron 80 mg which she packs by mistake. Can you help her?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I understand you wanted to speak with me privately.
Yes, I heard a notification from back with my friends, and I was taking antidiabetic tablets every day, but this morning I realized I blocked an empty box. So I'm very worried because I haven't taken my dose yet.
I understand. Thank you for coming in right away. May I take a look at the box that you brought?
This is what I take daily, ma'am. Diabetic 80 milligrams, and I've been on this for years.
Oh, this is Diamicron 80 mg. It's for type 2 diabetes, right?
Yes, ma'am. I usually take one tablet in the morning and in the breakfast.
Thank you for that information. Do you have a prescription with you or a photo of your last medication?
I don't actually have a description with me right now, but I might have a photo. Here, I found it. It was my last refill 2 weeks ago.
This is very helpful since you have a valid photo of the prescription and it's a regular maintenance medication like that will provide you for an emergency supply and for a few days just enough for until you can see your doctor.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. I was so very anxious. What can I do from here?
I'll dispense you a 3 day supply for now and I'll also guide you on monitoring your blood sugar missing during this time. If you have a glucose meter, you can also monitor your blood sugar. Please check your level as usual and also I recommend you contacting your doctor to ask for a new prescription to be sent here.
Yes, I'll do that today. Thank you for being so helpful.
You are most welcome. It's very common for travelers to forget or run out their medication. And don't worry, ma'am, we are here to help you in this situation. I'll also write this encounter in a patient record in case a follow-up is needed.